How to fix Instagram message problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can fix Instagram messaging problem, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you open the Instagram application, you tap the DMs icon. You're having issues with the messaging application here, and then you would like to delete it and go ahead and then fix it. So what you need to do for this is, first of all, long press the Instagram app icon, tap the I button, go to the storage tab and clear data of the Instagram application. Once you clear the cache files and data, it is going to log you out of your account, so make sure that you remember your password. Now you can open up your Play Store, and in the search box just type in Instagram. Check if the Instagram app has an update available, and if it does, then just make sure to update the Instagram app to the latest version, because sometimes the lack of update could be causing the issue. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, of course feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.